So now if we're happy with the game and we think that it's done, or if we just want to try if it works in like a more finished version, we should try and build the game. And we call it to build when the Unity editor puts everything together and make this into an executable file that can be run on a Mac or PC. You do different settings for whatever platform you want it to run on. That's what you do when you build. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So first save your game. Then we will go into the build settings window, and in the beginning when we created this game, we wanted to add all the scenes to the build settings. All the scenes that are used in the game needs to be added to the build settings. The startup scene needs to be first in the list. And here you can make some choices for what platform you want to build for. And we are choosing this first option, Mac, Windows, Mac, Linux. But you can't make one executable file for all those three. You have to make different ones because they are completely different. So since I'm using a Mac, I'm going to build for Mac. So that's why I have chosen Mac OS here, but you can choose Windows as well. And you can make some settings, but we're just going to keep it like this. And then I'm going to click the build button here. I need to decide where to put this. And then I'm also going to give the file a name. So I'll call it Moxie Jam Build 1. And then I'm going to save. And depending on how large the project is, the building process might take long, or it might go very fast. So the build was successful. It says it didn't have any errors. If you get errors when you build, then something in your game is wrong and you need to fix it. So it has created an application here for Mac. It also makes a file with some information that shouldn't be shipped. If you want to publish this game somewhere, then you shouldn't add this folder. You should just add this built application. Let's click it and see if it works. So now our game runs on my computer. I can click start. We have our thermos here that we can put our mouse over and get a text, our calendar and our photo. Let's pick up the photo. It opens up the close-up and it closes. And now the game is over. So I'm going to quit the game. And we have made our first executable version of this game. And we have made the first executable version of this game. and you can now actually publish it somewhere and have others play it if they use the same platform that you were building for.